How to fix DoorDash connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So now here, scroll down and search DoorDash. You will see DoorDash is here, so click on DoorDash. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix DoorDash connection problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it still not solved, go back to home screen and open and turn on flight mode. And after turn on flight mode, turn off flight mode. So you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix DoorDash connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.